I am having one of those pinch me moments right now. I am so unbelievably grateful for the life that I have created and so happy that I made the decision back in 2019 to create digital products, to have an online business, to start affiliate marketing, because I am like, I feel like I'm living the dream right now. I am on the Shinkansen in Tokyo. I'm on my way to Nagoya to go and meet up with a client who has now become a friend, and she just happens to be in Nagoya. She lives in Japan. I've been to Japan a few times, and she lives in Okinawa, so a long way. I haven't been to Okinawa yet. She just happens to be there. I happen to have a free day, and I'm going to go and meet her in person. And we have spoken on Zoom and Voxer so many times, but we've never actually met in person. So this is like, it's just so phenomenal. I cannot wait to meet her. We're both just like, whoa, we made this happen. She said to me a few days ago, hey, I'm going to be in Nagoya for this weekend. I don't have any plans, so if you're in Japan, we should meet up. And I was able to, on a whim, make this day trip plan happen today when I got my Shinkansen ticket this morning. And I'm going to see her. Like, it was already like freaking phenomenal just being in Japan. Like, just the fact that I'm here at all is just making me so happy, because this place is amazing and I am able to travel for my business the way that I have set it up. But that is the icing on the cake. Not only that, the reason I'm in Japan is that I came with my daughter because she had this dream of going to the Hatsune Miku Magical Mirai Expo. I'm not going to go into explaining who or what Hatsune Miku is. She's a massive fan. It was a surreal experience. I've never seen anything like it. Thousands and thousands of Hatsune Miku obsessed people with all the merch and the gear. And we got to see a show which is like this cool combination of like rock with Japanese Vocaloid music. She was so happy. She's 20 years old and she met other Hatsune Miku fans. She was just so happy. And the fact that I can make that happen for her, that we can come to Japan, she can do this and she can just feel so much joy, that brings me an incredible amount of joy. And for the fact that on top of that, I get to go and meet my friend Lauren today, seriously, it is just a pinch me. And just the gratitude that I decided to, start digital products. I decided to do affiliate marketing. I'm using Kajabi to sell everything and to create it all. And I'm a Kajabi affiliate partner and I'm able to generate income. So even though, this time we haven't worked a whole lot, we've had, some internet dramas and things like that, I've still been able to earn money and create magical experiences for myself, for my daughter, and do beautiful things. That's why I wanted to set up this freedom-based business, to be able to travel. Is the thing that I absolutely adore. And I have been doing digital nomading for about a year and a half, and now I can just make plans on a whim. I can come to a new place. I can come to a place like Japan, where I've been a few times and I really love it. And I'm making memories, having experiences, and thankfully, because of what I've set up with my digital products and my affiliate marketing, I'm able to generate income while I'm doing that without having to work every minute. Now, don't get me wrong, I do a lot of work in the couple of weeks before we came away so that I could be prepared to take some time off and come and enjoy everything that is here and, spend every waking moment exploring Tokyo and doing really cool things. But that's the beauty of having a freedom-based business. That is the beauty of being able to travel, being able to work online and work from anywhere. And, it took some work to set up. It's not a, start it and do it immediately kind of thing. I do remember when I first started, feeling frustration that I didn't make, enough money to do what I wanted, or, even sort of hit a lot of what I saw other people doing in the first 6 months or even 12 months. It took me until year 5 before I was able to start traveling and do that full time. So it took time. I remember seeing other people saying, oh, it'll take you, 3, 4, 5 years to be able to do it. And thinking, oh no, I'll be able to do it quicker than that. So it did, it did take time, but that's the thing. it's the build up, and it's like laying a brick by brick by brick. Like, it's not all just going to happen immediately. You know, you'll hear the stories that it does. It's, you know, what I sort of latched onto a bit in the beginning, you know, people making tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars, like create a course and all of a sudden you're really rich. That part of it is a little bit unrealistic, but the, you know, build it and grow it over time, 100% realistic. Especially if you do things that enable you to keep generating income now and in the future. So not necessarily things that will generate you money today, but that will keep generating money. You build them, you do the work to build them, and then it will allow you to have income later. That's what I do through Kajabi. And, you know, if you're like, okay, Sue, this sounds really cool, I want to do it too, then please subscribe to my channel so you know, I can share with you what I'm doing. I have a membership, I sell digital products, I sell templates, and I do a lot of affiliate marketing where I get paid monthly for the commissions for the people that I bring into products, as well as ad hoc affiliate marketing where I promote other people's products. Love email marketing, growing my email list, because that's what enables me to be able to, you know, send emails out and promote my products and other people's products. And yeah, it's, like, I'm so glad that I chose this. Previously, I had a product-based business which had a warehouse and staff and so many commitments and so much stress. And I don't know, I don't want to say it's a cheat code, but on days like this, I just really kind of feel like this. I really am just so grateful for the work I've done to make this happen, and that will allow this to keep happening. And I can keep making memories and enjoying and maybe making videos on trains like this. It's remarkable. I'm going to be in Nagoya soon, and I'm going to see my friend, and it's just going to be so damn cool. I get to go and see my daughter again tonight. She's going to be delighted. We're meeting up with some friends that she made at the expo yesterday. And yeah, it's a beautiful thing. It is possible. That's what I want to share with you. This is, you know, not something that can happen overnight, but it is completely doable. This was a thing that I built up, and, you know, the income, the base income that comes in every month built up over time, and it got there. I'm here, I'm traveling, I am living the dream that I created for myself back in 2019 when I started this, and it's only going to continue to get better from here. So you can do it too. You can have the business that will allow you to have freedom, that will allow you to work from anywhere if that's your choice, or can just help you bring in extra money for your family or whatever it is that's going to make you feel like, yes, I'm so grateful that I decided to do this. So I hope you have a beautiful day. Please subscribe to the channel if this is something that you want to hear more about. And yeah, I appreciate you watching this video. Bye.